Hello students, today we will see what is the difference between a central bank and a commercial bank. So point wise we will see status. So central bank is the apex institution of the country's monetary and banking structure, and a commercial bank is one of the organs of the money market. So central bank is the apex institution, that means it is the supreme institution which works as a financial aid for the government. Second thing is ownership. Central bank is owned by government, but a commercial bank is owned by shareholders. Sometimes shareholders are the government itself or governments, but sometimes it may be private also. But in case of central bank, it will be always government. Objective. The objective of central bank is non-profit. It is not running for profit but to assist the government running the country's economy. And a commercial bank works for profit. Customers. A central bank's customer is only government, and a commercial bank's it is a banker to the government, and in case of commercial bank, individuals are its customers. Again, issue of notes. Central bank can issue notes, but a commercial bank cannot issue a note. Credit control. Central bank controls credit according to the country's need and throughout the country. Commercial bank only creates credit to meet the needs of the business. Again, number every country has only one central bank, but there are several commercial banks in a country and several branches of each bank. Foreign exchange. Central bank is custodian of foreign currency reserve, but commercial banks can deal in foreign currencies. And central bank is bankers bank, and commercial bank is related to public. Again, the role of central bank is to help in setting up financial institutions to strengthen money and capital market in the country, and commercial bank helps in industry and commerce to grow and provide them financial services. Again, designation of chief executive. Central bank's chief executive is called governor, and the chief executive of a commercial bank may be called chairman sometimes. So these were the differences between central bank and commercial bank. For now, this class ends. Thank you all. We will discuss the next topics in next live class. Thank you.